Hello. I was asked if I would make a how-to video on how to make a video. So, for our purposes today, I'm going to make a how-to video for you on how to turn in my work on Google Classroom. So, if I was going to make a video for students, I would first go to the Chrome web store, which can be found at chrome.google.com/web store. And you are going to look for the extension known as Screencastify. Now, there are plenty of screen recorders that you can use. I just happen to like Screencastify because that was the first one I tried and it was super easy. Now, you will notice that I have already added it to my extension, so I'm not going to add it for you. But all you need to do, like this, edit this cookie, whatever that is, you would just come down here and you would add it to Chrome and that sort of thing. And then when you get done adding Screencastify, its little logo will show up here at the top of your screen in your toolbar. It looks like a pink arrow pointing towards the right, just like right here, Screencastify. And the difference is mine has a red dot on it right now because I am actually recording this little mini lesson. So once you have the extension, when you want to use it, you literally just click on this button and it will ask you about which screen you want it to watch. You can do a webcam, so you could like shoot a video of yourself, which I have done for a book talk for my book club kids. But this one is just taking a recording of just what my screen looks like right now. So I chose that. And then you hit the button, and then it counts down just like on the real TV shows 3, 2, 1, action. And then you are live and you are recording whatever your screen is. So once you start recording, then you could do whatever you needed to do for your students. So in my case, if I was going to teach students how to turn in their work in Google Classroom, which I did for one of my friends last week when she didn't have time to do that, and her students were sharing their work with her instead of turning it in, and it was driving her crazy because she had email fatigue. Here's what you do. Here's my assignment. I have ready to turn in my NTI Day 15 work log to my principal, Mr. Greg Roush, and I have my list of things that I have done today. And so I will go up here to the upper right-hand corner where it says Turn In, conveniently located next to the blue Share button, and I will hit the Turn In button. And it's getting it ready. All right, so we are just about done with this portion of it. It's like, do you really want to turn in your work? And I'm like, yes, I do. I want to turn in my work. And so I'm going to click here on Turn In. And so now that I have done that, my status has changed over here. My work, instead of being assigned, has now been turned in. So I feel confident that when Mr. Roush takes a look at this, he will see that I have turned in my daily log and he will know that I have worked today. And so I will get credit for that and not be using a sick day. So it can be something that simple that you make a video for your students on. It could be more complicated than that, but basically, you just turn the Screencastify on and then go to town from there. The cool thing about Screencastify is once I get done with that video, with this video or any video, all I have to do is hit the button again to stop it. Now, I can't show you that because then it will stop recording, but it will allow me to stop it. And then I will be able to edit the video if there's something that I need to cut off because it took me too long at the end of the video to wrap it up. Or if I stuttered or something at the beginning of it and I wanted to like chop that part out or something in the middle, I will be able to do that, or anything in the middle. One of the hints that I read, there's a gentleman when he said when he does his videos that he claps real loud right after he makes a mistake, so it makes it easier for him to find it when he's going back to watch and edit, that he can find those and snip them out. I don't know. Maybe you need to do that. Maybe you don't. Maybe you're perfect, and on the first take, you get everything that you need. But I love Screencastify automatically will save this video when I am done with it to my Google Drive, and then I am able to share it with whomever I need to. So I hope that you have found this to be helpful. If you need more help or whatnot, feel free to reach out to any member of the tech team, your school technology coordinator, or your computer technician in your building. Any of us will be more than happy to help you. And I'll always give a big shout out to Stella Pollard. She's the one who taught me how to use Screencastify. And now look at me. I too am teaching people how to make other Screencastify videos. So it's pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed it. And that will be all for me. I'm going to turn this off now. So have a good afternoon. Goodbye.